Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is kind of an obnoxiously large Christmas decor haul. It's collective. I have stuff from Dollar Tree, TJ Maxx, Kirklands, Big Lots, maybe some places mixed in. Yeah, there's just a lot. So also, forgive me, I look like a grease ball. The hair's a mess. I had to get on camera and show this stuff to you guys so I can put it away because it's taking over my dining room. Who has a room that they use to like stash their bags in before they put everything away? Or is that just me? I'm sure there's some of you who do the same thing. So anyways, today's video is special because I've partnered with Colonial Candle again to give one lucky subscriber a complete set of their 4 new holiday fragrances. I believe this collection is called the Falling Stars collection. I'll have it linked below. You can purchase them online. They are $15 if I'm not mistaken. Colonial Candle has a sister company called Everyday Luxe, which is super prevalent at TJ Maxx and Homegoods and Marshalls. They're really good candles. So they're sister companies, and some of the scents from Colonial overlap to Everyday Luxe, some do not, and vice versa. So you may find these at TJ Maxx, maybe under the name Everyday Luxe at a discount, but if you don't want to mess with that, they are at your fingertips online. So all you have to do to enter is be a subscriber, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment letting me know which one of these candles sounds like it's most up your alley. The winner will get all 4, but I'm just curious if you have the same kind of scent preference that I do. So the first one here is Yuletide Carol. It has this kind of burgundy wax, and that is what the label looks like. These are the same size as Bath & Body Works, by the way. And I don't like this one. I feel bad saying that, I really do, but this is just not the kind of scent that I gravitate towards, and it doesn't mean you won't like it or that it's bad, it's just not for me. So this is like a cranberry kind of scent, but it also has like perfumey and floral notes. It's very unique for Christmas, I will say that. And I do get a Christmas vibe from it. It's just not what I want in my home. So if those kind of things sound like, you know, scents that you like, then you may enjoy this one. The wax color is beautiful. If nothing else, I will sit this out just because it's so pretty. Next is Balsam and Fir. Not much to say here. It's a Christmas tree scent. I like to burn these a couple times in November and December when I'm putting my tree up, and here and there during the holiday season because I have an artificial tree and it makes me think of when I had a real tree. So you know, these scents are kind of hard to do sometimes for companies. I feel like sometimes they can come across really fake, but this one is really good and I'm excited to light that up when I put my tree up in a week or two. Next we have Vanilla Bourbon. To me this smells like French vanilla with a hint of booziness. There's not a lot, but when it's burning it comes out more than when you just smell it on cold. I have lit this one up before and this filled my living room. I have a big open living room with high ceilings. I was shocked. So if you like vanilla kind of candles, you may like this one. Don't be deterred by the bourbon if you're not a bourbon lover. It's not super strong, but on the flip side, if you're hoping for like a strong bourbon candle, this one is not it. And last but not least, because this is my favorite, this is Cinnamon Chai, and here's what the label looks like. I think they're just so cute. This smells like a cinnamon bun. It smells like, instead of just like the brown sugar and cinnamon in a cinnamon bun, they also added in the chai spices. So it's like a little bit more spiced, but still very sweet, very bakery. I love this one. I've lit this a few times, but I keep blowing my candle out before it pools out all the way so you can see how bad that looks in the inside. That's my fault because I keep blowing it out too soon. You should let your candle get a wax pool all the way around before you blow it out, and I just haven't had the time to burn a candle for more than like 30 minutes at a time, and that was not enough for this one. So those are all the candles. The rules for entry will be in the description box below. Make sure you check that out and don't forget to enter. And now let's get into all this decor. I'm gonna start off with Dollar Tree and get that out of the way. They have Christmas scented sachets, Christmas scented, like Christmas season type of scents. This one is cinnamon stick. I'm not usually into like heavily cinnamon scented things. This smells exactly like Red Hot, but in the summer I bought my fall wreath and I stored it away, and I stored it with a scent sachet. I just threw it in there for no reason at all, just to put it away, I guess, until the fall time. And when I took my wreath out, it smelled like cinnamon. And every time we open our door now, we get a waft of cinnamon, and it's really nice. So I thought I would do that with this. I'm gonna put it with my Christmas wreath for a week or two and see if I can get the same thing to happen. I also picked up this 12 count of cards. It has the station wagon with the tree, and it says home for the holidays. You get 12 of them. Also from Dollar Tree, I bought some wrapping paper. Yeah, I was really excited to see this. It's the trucks with the tree on top. And I already opened this up, but I want to say it said it was 40 square feet. It feels like there's quite a bit on here, maybe not, but I thought this would be really cute for whatever we gift to my little nephew, who is 3 years old. And this is so ridiculous because he doesn't care and he'll never remember, but we usually get him like a couple things. So I thought it would be cute to wrap his largest present in this, and then to wrap his smaller present in like the brown craft paper, and then put one of the Dollar Tree truck ornaments on top as like a topper instead of a bow. Like, how adorable. If you guys want to see a video on how I wrap my presents, then let me know and I'd be happy to make that for you. And then I also found the black and red buffalo check. I think I may have used this. I used something similar to this last year with brown craft paper for my parents' gifts, and I don't love wrapping the presents, but I love making them look cute with ornaments and toppers and stuff. So I picked up this pick. This is the same pick that I used in my Dollar Tree ski ornament DIY. I also used these in that DIY. I just want to make another one, so I got the supplies, and I'll have that linked below and show you somewhere on the screen what that looks like. So that was it for Dollar Tree. Next, I stepped into an Ace Hardware. That's probably so random. Like, I've never seen an Ace Hardware haul on YouTube. But we went to a fall festival, and it was in this cute little town, and Ace Hardware was their big store there. So they had 30% off the Christmas stuff, and I found the most stunning pine cone ornaments. So this is like a dark charcoal gray, almost black. It has the beads on top that look like frost and the glitter, and I'm going to be adding in some like darker charcoals and blacks on my tree. I know that sounds kind of like sacrilegious, but it's going to just look very elegant while still being cozy. Don't worry, I have a plan in mind, and I cannot wait to start decorating. So these are $3.49 full price, but they were 30% off. They only had 3, and I bought all 3. Next, we're moving on to TJ Maxx. I found these to-go coffee cups. Target Dollar Spot had these last year. They're the same price at HomeGoods, but they had more of a selection. They're $3. You get 8 of them. You get the sleeve, the cup, and the lid, and it's just a pretty red and black plaid. Now moving on to some ornaments from TJ Maxx. If you watched my fall vlog, then you already saw these. They're plastic. They look like wood on the bottom, and they have the silver foiling on top. These are 99 cents at TJ Maxx, and I've seen them at 3 different stores, so if you're interested in these, you may be able to find them. I also picked up these white snowflakes that have the silver foiling. These were $5.99, and what I like to do when I'm decorating my Christmas tree, I like to splurge on a few ornaments, and then I like to mix in like really cheap, affordable, like plastic ornaments or glass ornaments that you get in bulk from Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree or anywhere. One day I want to have an awesome collection of ornaments that have lasted me for a long time, and that's kind of why sometimes I don't mind splurging. So I realize that $5.99 for an ornament isn't cheap, but this is what it looks like. They have this at Hobby Lobby for the same price, but it's 40% off, but I saw these first, and so I kind of got ripped off, but it is what it is. I bought 3 of those. And the last ornament that I got, well, I got 3 of these, are these large wooden stars. They have like a faux, or at least I'm hoping it's faux, cowhide, and then the silver foiled spots, kind of like cow spots. And I'm not going for like a Western theme or like a country theme or anything like that, but I just thought these were really unique, and they have the look that I'm going for with the wood and the silver. If you didn't pick up on it already, anything silver foiled I'm like so gravitating towards. I want to have that glam factor to my tree. I don't want it to be like all matte or anything like that, but I don't want tons and tons of glitter. The cleanup is so bad, or it has been in the past for me, so I'm hoping that this is a good alternative. We'll just go ahead and move on to Kirkland's, because this kind of matches those as well. I picked up some of these bell ornaments. It is a real bell, and it has that silver foiling as well, so you can see that these ornaments go really, really well together. I guess this kind of does look really country together, but I have some stuff that'll make it not look country. But these are $6.99. Not a great price, but I liked them enough. There were actually some really large copper bells that I wanted that were just too much. And so I don't want to say I settled for these because I'm obsessed, but I justified the price of these because the other ones that I wanted were more. I have some larger items from Kirkland's, but I'm gonna hop over to At Home real quick. I picked up these ornaments. They're plaid, black and white, and they have some silver and gold threading. And this is like kind of what I'm thinking when I say like pops of black on my tree. Things like this, I think they're really cute. This kind of black and white plaid. I don't necessarily want to do buffalo check. I have a little bit of buffalo check from fall that I'm gonna use, like this pillow, but I just don't want my house to look like Hobby Lobby or look like Kirkland's with like buffalo check overload. So but I do like the black and white thing, so this is a nice alternative. These stripes are velvet. I don't love this cheesy gold topper. I'm thinking of taking a silver permanent marker over that and swapping out the string with something a little bit different. So these are $5.99 for the set of 4, and I bought 2 packages of these. Now moving on to Big Lots, I only got one thing. You guys know that I was obsessed with Big Lots fall decor. I thought it was so beautiful. Their green and white collection just like stole my heart. Even though I didn't decorate in that way, I loved it, and I even nominated them for best fall decor of all the home decor stores. But I wasn't as impressed by their Christmas stuff. Let me know if you guys agree. But I did get one thing, and it is this tree topper. It's like foam mercury glass, but this is just plastic, and it's a snowflake, and it was only $10. It's from their holiday cozy collection, and I'm a sucker for mercury glass. I'm looking for like really beautiful mercury glass ornaments to put on my tree in silver. I probably have some, but like most of my ornaments are rose gold. If you guys have been with me since the beginning, I've been decorating in rose gold for a while, so that's why I had to really get a lot of new stuff, and you'll see tons of ornaments in my next haul. I almost forgot about Amazon. I picked up 2 of these dark green velvet pillow covers. I think this is 20 by 20. You get 2 of them for $17, but I think you can buy them individually as well. And this is kind of what my accent color is gonna be. My accent ornaments in green are a little bit darker than this, but they go pretty well, so I'm going to keep these. I'm pretty happy with them. They feel like they are really nice quality, and I can leave these out all winter long. And speaking of pillows, I picked up 2 from Kirkland's. Like I need another pillow, but I did it. I had been looking at their Christmas decor online since basically like September, I think is when it went up, and these stole my heart the second I saw them. So this is a really good depiction of like, you know, what I want my Christmas decor to be. Can kind of see here, and yeah, these are $29.99, a bit of a splurge, but I did have a 30% off coupon. I bought 2 of these, by the way, and they have the fringe. This is actually navy blue. I thought it was black when I saw it online. I thought it was black when I saw it in the store, and it wasn't until I got it home that I realized it was navy blue. But it passes for black in my opinion. It's so dark. And the back looks like this, so I may just flip this over after Christmas is over and just leave it like this. We'll see. But yeah, I had to have these, and they go really well with the velvet. It's like two different textures, completely different kind of styles, but somehow they still go really pretty together. So this last item, you guys will have to seriously let me know what you think of it. If you don't like it, just tell me. If you think there's something better for me out there, let me know. But I did just kind of fall in love with this piece the second I saw it in Kirkland's, and they only had one. And it's a little bit scraggly right now because it was in a bag, but it is this, oh my God, there's so much glitter falling off. I'm not even gonna mess with it, but it is this wreath. It's just so different and unique, like the wreath form. I've never seen one like that. And I love that instead of having flocked branches or plain branches, they look like they're frosted. There are some light blue berries and some white berries, and it's kind of looking really like a mess on camera, but when they had this hanging up in the store, it looked beautiful. I did see this online, so I'll link it below in case you're interested in it. So let me know below, do you think this is cute or do you think I can do better? I really want to fluff it for you guys, but there's just so much glitter. Oh my word. What the heck is going on here? I don't know, you guys, the more I'm looking at this on camera, it's like, what is going on? I think that some of the branches are maybe broken. And I have glitter all over me. I think this is going back, but let me know anyways. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing half, maybe even a third of what I've picked up so far for Christmas. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check the description box below for rules to enter the giveaway. Don't forget to do that. And I will see you back in a future video. Bye, guys.